Morning, good morning, YouTube channel, YouTube members. Yeah, thank you for the subscribers. If you didn't subscribe, you can subscribe. You can also consider to join our WhatsApp group in case you want to join any WhatsApp group for Lotto numbers. This is the phone number 0677729. Here we have a 9841. This is the phone number 29841. That is the phone number to join the WhatsApp group 06777299841. Yeah, I'm still struggling with the flu. We bought some immune booster and some cough syrup. What I should get is an antibiotic because I feel like I have some infection in my chest and in my back. Yeah, so let's go. Thank you for the comment. Today I would like to show you how you can make a code to on every draw name. For example, let's just select a random. Maybe let's select the yesterday, the morning code. Let's select the morning code. Let's use this one for example. All right. You add the all numbers together, then let's add them together with, I'm gonna do it manually. We have a 78 plus a 53. Then we have 1322. And you add it 22 here is 153. The answer is 153. The first thing when you get this code is 153. You focus on the first and the last number. 53 is 35, it's coming. First and the last number 13 is 31, it came. Only 15 it didn't show up. Then after that you take 153, you take this number plus this one. We were expecting 36 or 34 as well. Let's go. Then you go to your calculator. I'm feeling now dizzy. 153 you multiply by the 7 numbers of the draw, then you get 1071. So we already have two numbers. 1071, this is the code. You can see that one is there twice, is hot, so that's how one dropped. As I told you, take the last to do plus or minus the first one, which is 17 minus 1 is 16, plus 1 is 18, then you pray 10 or 1 and 17. So the number that we 16 when you spin is 19. The number we didn't get here is 20, but we have a 10 and we have another 10. 10 to 10 are 20 most. And also remember, when you have the twin number in your calculation, you add them together. 1 plus 1 was 2, 2 when you spin is 20. So meaning that the whole draw were available in our calculation. At least if you have all the numbers of the draw, I'm sure that you can at least select 3 numbers correct. Right? Because if you break the code 153 and the 1071 code, you can see that 15, 35, and 13. You just focus 13. When you spin is 31. Then you take 15 plus or minus see the front number, which is 34 and 36. Then you move to the second one. We have two ones in the code. This is where you start. is 2. 2 when you split is 20. Then we have a 10 there. Then we have a 17 there. Then we take the first and the last number minus 17 minus 1 and the plus 1 is 16 and 18. 16 when you spin is 19. So you can see all these number were in there. Or the only number that we didn't have was 2, 36 and the 34. Right? And when you spin it, the 34 is the 43 and the 39. So you can see even the 20 was there. So the all 7 number was there. Because the one, we have it, one in the code twice, you add it and you play it as a one itself. So that's all the numbers were in the code. I hope we get it. So you take all the numbers, you multiply by 7. Let's go. Let's see what's happened. So the number that we didn't get was 34 and 36 and the 15. Those were the number that didn't come during our calculation. They didn't come on this draw, right? So 34, 15 and 36 should be the number you have to include in your calculation for the next draw. But let's go. Even the 17 itself, because we have a 10 is 71, which is 17 here and the 17 there twice, which is 34. So we have a 17 and the 34, which was hot in the code as well, because the way we have a 2 tens, these 2 tens are 20. Then the way we have a 1 2 times, which is 2. So you must always know how to multiply them if they are there in the code twice. So 20 is there, 2 is there, 34 and 17 are there twice, 34. 17 is there twice, which you can add together to make a 34. So 17 and 34, and the 1, 17, 34, and the 1 or 2 or 20, they are hot in the code. So you can see the code which matter a lot is the second code, which you multiply by 2. That's why 1734 came to the next draw. Do you see it? It came again. It came there since it was a minute to be hot on our previous code. You don't lose the numbers easily. They are just the numbers, they can repeat or they can come back. Alright, let's go to the next one and see what happened. 66, 86, 9 and 5, no, 105 or so. 123, 129, no, 123, 139, 140. We have 140, guys. We have a 14. 14 has a 0 at the back. On this code, the most important thing is 14 is hot. 14 is hot, 14 can be 28, and 14 equals 35 and 18. So that's the way you see that 18 came back. Because the 35 and the 18, they came in the same draw, while they equal each other. So when they equal each other, they come together, one of them most of the time we repeat. So that's where we have a 14 or 28 or 18. Because this one, they can multiply it by 2. Because it is very hot most. 14 is hot here. And the other number is 41 and 40. 40, 41. In the code here we have a 40, 41. And when you have this kind of number, you must tell this number called what? You don't just play that number without knowing what it's called. 40 and 41, they call 44. And they move with 44. So your next expectation will be 40, 41, and 44. Then you have also 17 and 34, which we were waiting with, even 36. Then 14 equal 18. Then you are already done a bombing, guys. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Then look at this one, and the 44 is sitting there. Then let's go and multiply. Then if we say 14, then we have a 4, 1 plate. We have also 40 and 4, 44. This number they turn each other on every lotto. Let's go. And then we're gonna take 140 multiply by 7. 98. So 98, because the answer is 9 and 8 and 0. Every number that has, so we have a 9 and 8, you can add them together. 17 is there. 17 is always multiplied by 2 is 34 is there. But 9 and 8, their highest number, you add the 10 on each single when they are like this. Then you have a 19 and you have 18 and you have a 16. So there you are, 16, 18, because 19 when you spin is 16. There you go, 16 was here, it's played again. 17 wasn't there, right? There, because 17 was a skip as well. So this was like 17, 34 was our hot number. 18 and 16 it's doubtful, but the 4 numbers came out from this code. So play 9 and 8. 19, 18, 16, 17, 34. All right. And then 98 divided by 2, because it has a 0 by the back. I don't know the answer though. Yes, I am very tired. 4 divided by 8, 18. Then we have a 49, because the 9 times 2 is 18. So the answer was a 46 or 49. Answer was a 46 or 49. Here they are sitting there. So the number we didn't get was 38 here, right? So how do you see the code now? How do you see the code now? So let's go to the last draw, guys. You don't have so let's go to the last one. This is the code I wanted to show you. So we have 70, 80, 85. 85 plus 63. Then we have a 30, 37. We're going to add this number together. We have a 15. I keep 1 in 9, 17, 18. So we have a 1, 14, 17, 18, 8, 15. 185. The answer is 1, 8, and 5 that we got here. We are looking for this result. As I told you, we have 18 and 15. So 15 came, right? You take the first number, the last number plus or minus the first one. So only if you take this, when the number is like this, when we have 185, remember our code, we take the first and the last number, the last two number plus or minus the first one. So you will take 8 and 5, you add them together is 13, then you do plus or minus the first one, which is 13 plus 1 is 14, minus 1 is 12. Then you can spin your numbers, which, so 13 is done, you spin it 12, 14 and 12. I also remember that 12 spin is 21, 14 spin is 41. There 41. 41 equal 40 and 44. There you go. You got a 44 here. Then the 41 and the 44 played. Your next banker is 40. Right? Your next banker is 40. There is 40. You can subscribe to this channel to disclose all the secrets behind the number calling. It's just in my blood, guys, and I discovered them myself. Alright, so now that we have a 40, 41, we are missing 39. No, sorry, 37. Yeah, remember that thing. The way the number going in a chain and the chain, chain and the chain, 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 chain. Yeah, this one is missing is 3. Let's go. So this is a family of 3. This is a 3. The family of 6 is a 3 and a 3. Then 6 and the 6 is a 33 also. There you go. So let's go. Now we having 185, which already gave us a 15 straight number, and 41 straight one, especially 15 was a good one. 41 you move over 44 and 40, they are sitting there. Then you go, you multiply it by by 7, 1295, 1295. So 1295, the straight number we have 12, 19, 15, 29, 25, and 21. Let's see. Then you take the last two number and the first one. The last two number is 14, because this number is higher than 14. You just add the number. So 14 plus or minus 1 is 15. 15 itself become the center. 15 became the banker, guys. This is called this code. Then yeah, that is that. So 1 also 295, we have 9, we have 5, we have 2, 1. It's too many numbers that when 9 came here as well. So the only number we could figure out was 1541, and this one 69, right? Yeah, when you add all the number together is 17. They are not using it. Let's go. Then let's do this one. Remember our number if 12 very straight number, 19 and 15. If 15 is used, then we have 12 and 29, right? 12, 29, and 19 are the number in the code which were supposed to be used, and the 13 also were appearing. We take 14 plus or minus 1, 14 was appearing. Then let's go. We move to our code, which is 120, 134, 142, 134, 172, right? Let me see, 120, 130, 134, 164, 172, 172, 187, 187, 193, 193, 202. 202. Then we have on this code, before we go, we have a twin number. It's 2 plus 2 is 4 or 40. This is your first number. Ne? Then the next one, we have a 22 times. This is a 20, this is a 20, this is a 40. 22 times is a 40. So we have a 4 and the 40 was your next banker. Let's go. And the 40, 41 equal 40. Now 40, 41. It in the front we must have a 39 and a 37. 39, 37, they are the number which are missing. Let's go. So 202, if we didn't make a mistake during the calculation, times 7 is equal 1404, something like that. Then we have 1414. The next thing we have is 1. We have a 1 there. That is 1 hot. Then we have a 4. That is a 4 hot. Then 1 or 10 hot. Guys, this is so beautiful. Then we have a 4, 1, you add them together, 2 or 20. 4 and 4 is 8, right? Then 44. 44 call 40 and 41. 44 played 40 and 4 as a banker. 20 and 10. So here is how 1 and 1 is 44. 1 and 1 sorry is 11, and 4 and 4 is 44. 11 is sitting there. Then remember our code 1295. We have a 12, 29 which were not used. 12 is sitting here, and we have a 40 as our bank. The only number that he's supposed to think harder to get was this 31, because 31 was appearing hot on the previous code, but always the clear number in the previous code work. All right, so now in this code, we have 11, 44. This 44 can come back or they can come together. 40, 41, 44. The pair of the year. Now we have 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 4. We have a 14 two times there, which is 28. So we have a 14 and 28. These are the next number which are being seen and then they come back. But however, this is 44, 1, 10, 11. Did you see that? We should also have some repeating number among these three. So however, 14, 14, 14 or 28 to the next row. Let's go. This is a prediction. Let's go. These are the clear number. Must remember our first number will 1200. They repeated. They played it 12. Now let's add them together. 71, 83, 94, 94, 94, 104, 110, 111. There you go. 111, first number plus or minus the last one. We have a 9 and 11. Play that 9 and 11. Play 2. We have a 2 here. 2, 9, 11. 2, 9, 11. We have a 2 again. Let's go. 2, 9, 11. Let me just do this. Then 1, 1, 10 multiplied by 7 is 7 here, 7 there, and 0. Ne? That is the code which, so we have a twin number is 14. Then the next thing, because 7 is hot, 7 is a big number, you add 10. We have a 17. 17 is 34. Then 7 is hot, there twice 7 is 9. Right? So we have a 7, 9, 10, 11, 14 or 41. We have a 28. We have a 34. We have a 17. Right? To the next one. Then this 40, 41, 44. We're gonna get a repeating now. Since we are getting a 14 and the 41, 41, call 40, 44. So among those one number can come. We can focus on 14 and 41. Thank you so much. So this code is the hottest code I want to teach you how to calculate it. You can go and learn it. We have another code which work at the whole day, but you can just consider to join the WhatsApp group, which is 077729 and 41. These are the numbers you can WhatsApp to join the WhatsApp group in case you are interested in joining our WhatsApp group. So another strategy is to add this number to get a small number to play. For example, this is 96, so 9 and 6. So this is 96, 9 and 6, 6 played. This is 89, 89, 8 and 9. One number to play. They play the last number, they can still play the last number. Right? The other thing they did here is 1893, 9 and 3. 9 and 3. 39 is supposed to come. Let's see. I'm just trying to figure out something. 70, 85. 8 and 5. The 8 and 5. Then let's go. The last three number may give us a lot of money. Sometime let's see. 120, 170, 85, 85, 90, 120. This was 120, guys. Is either 24 or 6 or 12. Because this is on the clock is 24, remember? So 6 came. Alright, so let's go. 120, 134, 134. So let's go, guys. Let's keep the first code is enough. I will see you again. Bye bye.